I cooked 16 ounces of pasta here. I'm using shells. You can use whatever pasta you want for this recipe. Just cook it al dente as per the instructions in the package. I also kept a cup of the cooking liquid. I'm going to melt some butter in this pan. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil to it so the butter doesn't burn. I'm going to add half an onion, which I finely chopped. We're going to let this cook for 5-6 minutes until it's translucent and softened and starting to brown. I'm going to add 3 garlic cloves, which I minced. We're going to cook that for a minute or 2 until we can smell the garlic. I'm going to add 8 ounces of sliced baby portobello mushrooms. You can use any mushroom you want. So 8 ounces is like 227 grams, but it's a pasta, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm going to add a little more butter, and we're going to let these cook for a good 8 to 10 minutes until they are nice and browned. I am going to add some thyme to this. These are sprigs that I have that dried already, so I'm doing about 2 sprigs. So, you know, maybe half a teaspoon. These are nice and brown. I'm going to salt and pepper them. I'm going to add 2 cans of tuna. They were 5 ounces. Once you drain them, they're 4 ounces in water. Okay? I'm going to zest some lemon in here. Let's say about a teaspoon, okay? That's going to give it nice flavor. And I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. This is a big lemon, guys, so if yours is little, you might want to do the whole thing. I'm going to now add the pasta. I'm going to add half a cup of that liquid that I reserved. And about a quarter cup of heavy cream. We keep that liquid from the pasta and use it, guys. It's because it's so starchy. So it makes our sauce really creamy. I'm going to put grated cheese in here. You can do plain Parmesan. I'm going to do about half a cup. And we let this cook for a few minutes until the sauce kind of thickens. This is a great way to use canned tuna and to add protein to your pasta. Finally, guys, I'm going to add about a quarter cup of parsley. I want you to taste it for salt and adjust if necessary, okay? This is excellent, guys.